Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to adjust your keyboard controls in Mewgenics. Let's begin by pressing Settings on the home screen or by pressing the Escape button and Settings in Game. Once there, go to Controls. Here, make sure you're in the keyboard controls, of course. Then you can select the space next to the existing locked control or the white space that are either next to the locked space or simply right next here, and you can simply adjust the keybinds by I will, for example, swap Examine from right mouse button to the spacebar. So I click this, press the input key that you wish. You can also set up the second input right here. You can do everything like that, and if you wish to leave something blank, simply press this button to change it and then click away from it. In general, there is Select, where you can assign a second keybind. There is Examine, Tactical View, Cancel, Pause, that works the same way as Select, Zoom in, Zoom out, Flip Furniture, Skip Cutscene. In Combat Hotkeys, there is Move, Weapon, Trinket, Basic Attack, Spells from 1 to 5, and End Turn. Of course, if you make a mistake or you don't know how your settings were in the default state, I guess, you can hit Reset. You can hit Reset Default. This will revert any changes you made. And I think that's about it when it comes to keyboard controls. Once you made your changes, simply press back. If you are in the paused menu, press Resume. That's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.